Have you been unhappy with your investments? Do you wonder what to do now and who can help? You're about to meet Don Meredith with Bulletproof Investing.
Welcome to Bulletproof Investing. I'm Don Meredith. In this video, I'll share my investment philosophy. In the next two videos, I'll talk about what investments do not work, and I'll talk about what investments I do recommend. Since 2008, we've had a front row seat to see what works and what doesn't work in investing. If you like what you hear, give me a call to see how we can make your investments bulletproof too. In this video, I'll share my investment philosophy. In the following two videos, I'll talk about what investments do not work and which investments I do recommend. My bulletproof philosophy and strategy is: number one, preserve principal. Number two, make your money work for you. Not maybe, but definitely. Not when the market is in your favor, but month after month, year after year. I'm going to talk about risk versus safety and about the problems with risk. We know you want to make as much money as possible. It's like the large hedge funds. It's like Yale, the endowment funds, MetLife, Bank of America. They all must generate income, just like you. It's a balancing act. The problem is, investors want to make piles and piles of big money, and investors want excitement. Sometimes stocks are more exciting than you really want. There was lots of excitement in the stock market until it crashed in 1929. There was lots of excitement in 2008 too. Then the word really wasn't excitement anymore, was it? It was anxiety and fear. There has been a problem with your thinking and your perspective. You used to think that the stock market was like a Formula One race car, and that safe investments were like an old jalopy. There's been a problem in your thinking. The desire for excitement overshadows your ability to think about what really works. The reality is, this is the excitement of NASCAR. You don't want to be the one with your portfolio burning up. No. Safe is the new sexy. Are these sexy cars? You betcha. I love the Cadillac ad where they say, when you turn your car on, does it return the favor? As a twist on that, I'd like to say, when you give money to your broker, does he or she return the favor? German engineers build safety into their cars to preserve precious cargo. Your investments are precious cargo too. Preserving principal is number one. How? Bulletproof investments preserve principal and earn income. Here's an example of one of the real estate investment trusts I work with. This represents the best of the best companies in the country, in fact the world. Let's look more closely at one of these. With this REIT, they bought the building that is the new headquarters for Microsoft's Bing operations. They bought the building for cash. This property has gone through the scrutiny and thorough microscope of great acquisition teams. They have a 20+ year lease. They have to pay their rent. And that means totally uninterrupted monthly dividend checks for our investors. And that's why we call it Bulletproof. I'm Don Meredith. For more information on bulletproof investing, call me.
Be sure to watch part 2 and 3 of the Bulletproof Investing series on the website, along with our other videos. Sign up for the newsletter. We're here to help with Bulletproof Investing.